Looking for an easy-to-install smart doorbell to keep your home secure and connected? Today, we're reviewing the newest Ring Battery Doorbell with head-to-toe video, live view, two-way talk, and motion detection and alerts to help you decide if it's worth adding to your smart home in 2025. If you love honest, clear smart home reviews, hit that like button and subscribe for weekly product breakdowns that save you time and money. What is the Ring Battery Doorbell 2025? The Ring Battery Doorbell is an upgraded, wire-free smart doorbell that gives you head-to-toe 1536p HD+ video, allowing you to see visitors from head to toe and packages on the ground right from your phone. It offers live view with two-way talk, motion detection, and real-time alerts, letting you speak to visitors from anywhere. Pros of the Ring Battery Doorbell: head-to-toe HD+ video. Get a full view of visitors and packages with a taller field of view, reducing blind spots. Easy wireless installation. No wiring needed. Mount it easily with the included battery system and recharge when necessary. Two-way talk with noise cancellation. Hear visitors clearly and respond in real time from your phone or Alexa-enabled devices. Motion detection and alerts. Customizable motion zones and smart alerts help you monitor your entryway efficiently without false alarms. Live view anytime. Check your front door live, day or night, using the Ring app. Works with Alexa. Receive announcements and view your doorbell on Echo Show devices for seamless integration. Cons of the Ring Battery Doorbell: requires subscription for full features. Recording and reviewing footage requires a Ring Protect plan subscription. Needs periodic charging. While the battery lasts weeks, it requires recharging, which may inconvenience some users. No local storage. All footage is cloud-based, so there is no offline backup. Who should buy the Ring Battery Doorbell? If you want affordable, easy-to-install front door security with clear video, two-way talk, and app notifications, the Ring Battery Doorbell is a reliable, beginner-friendly smart home security addition. It's ideal for renters, homeowners, and anyone looking to improve package monitoring and front door awareness. Question for you: what feature is most important in a smart doorbell? Video quality, two-way talk, or app alerts? Drop your answer in the comments below. Affiliate link for easy purchase. Ring Battery Doorbell on Amazon. Purchasing through this link supports the channel at no extra cost to you, helping us continue creating honest, practical reviews. If you found this review helpful, like this video, subscribe, and ring the bell for weekly smart home reviews and buying guides for your home security setup. Thanks for watching and stay secure.